go to room 203 now, right? Yeah. That's the door I don't want to open. Oh, bless you, Moko-chan. 203. Ping-pong. I don't think we need the ping-pong into here. Oh, that was right next to us. That's room 203, yeah, Moko-chan. 203, yes!